Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalom Blac, and yes, I am back with a new video. And I told you guys, whenever you see me sitting in this living room, that means we're about to do a try on haul. Today's try on haul though is a little different from what we're used to. So yes, this video is sponsored by Savage X Fenty, which was created by Rihanna. And if you guys don't know, it's actually a lingerie line that offers hundreds of style of bras, underwears, sleepwear, and everything on the website is priced under $100. $100, and the quality is amazing. I'm wearing this right now. This is like a pajama wear, a 3-piece set that comes separately. That's one thing I also like about the brand. Most of the stuff do come separately, so I know that everyone is not the same size on the top and the bottom, so you have the option to pick different sizes. So some of the things that I like about Savage X Fenty is the fact that the statement of the brand is to inspire and empower women to not only look good but feel good in the skin that they are in. And you guys know that's something that I'm constantly pushing. So this is what the box looked like. Of course, I already went and opened it and opened some of the stuff that I got because I was just too excited. Okay, so it's just like a really nice pastel-y purple. I don't know if my light is washing it out. And on the inside it just says Savage X Fenty. And so we have some of our goodies in here. Oh, look at this bra. Oh, by the way, Savage X Fenty does have an offer right now where you can get 2 bras or bralette. You can mix match it for only $29, and also you can get 50% off any additional item that you have with your extra VIP order. So the first thing I have here is actually what I'm wearing, and this is just like a pajama set. You have the bralette and you have the shorts, the pants, and of course a robe. And this is just so cute. Like, I just like walking around my house with this. It makes me feel good, especially when I'm filming. Yeah, I really like this. And everything is in a size small. I do wear a size 32C in bras, so I wear a small when it comes to like small, medium, large. So I didn't really think I would love a color like this, but I actually am obsessed with the color of this set. It looks popping on my chocolate glowy skin. I do like to match my top to my bottom, so I also picked up this neon bralette right here, and this right here is just so cute. I am obsessed with neon colors. I don't know how neons came back and became the it thing, but I just love how it complements my skin. And this doesn't really give you like a lift or anything, but I love to wear stuff like this because they're just so comfortable and it doesn't itch the skin. So I also have the bottoms right here, and again, this is also in a size small. I love the way it fits on me. It just looks really good. The next thing I picked up is this underlying microfiber bralette set with the undies. Again, it's so separate, and this is in a size small. And I got this, of course, because of the colors. It has a little bit of the neon, and then you get the little, either I guess baby blue or minty sort of color. I think it's baby blue. And this just fits really nice. I love the shape of it. My boobs is just like nicely secure in there. I love how the underwear is high-waisted and it's covering my bum, so it is not a thong. But yeah, and it feels really good and just soft. So the next thing I got is this Daisy Teddy bodysuit, and it's just a nice pastel-y pink or peachy tone, and it's very sheer, so I'm not going to be trying it on camera. Do not want to get demonetized and do not want to show you guys a little too much, okay? But this is a bodysuit. This is also in a size small, and it just fit snug but not uncomfortable at all. The good thing about being an extra VIP member is that when you order something and you don't like it, you have 30 days to ship it back, and the shipping is actually free. So if you're not feeling whatever is curated for that month, you can go ahead and just skip it, and there won't be any charges to you. And you also receive 20% off your order every time. I don't know if you guys can tell already, but I do like to wear bralette all the time because they're just so comfortable for me. I don't need the extra push, but if you need the extra push, then hey, there's also push-up bras and underwire bras and stuff. But I got this. I just love the color of it and the fabric. I don't know what kind of material this is because it's kind of stretchy, but not super stretchy, but it just looked good. I also have the underwear. This is in a size small. Oh yes, honey, we are only getting deeper in the color. I told you guys I do like my neutral or nude colors, so I had to pick this up when I saw it. This is kind of like a cheetah print or leopard print, you would say, on this, and it's just brown, and it does have underwire on the bottom here, and you guys can see this little tiny bow tie detail on it, and the underwear has the same detail that the top has, the little leopard print detail and the bow tie here, and then in the back is just kind of like a sheer material. But I don't know if you guys can tell from all the stuff that I picked up what my personal style is, but I think I'm pretty bold and very edgy when it comes to my fashion sense. So there is actually a quiz that you can take on the Savage X FENTY website to discover which Savage X you are, and basically Savage is going to curate or cater to your personal style. So this is what I mean by bold. This is my last item. I kept the best for last because I really just love this. When I was younger, I used to wear print stuff so much because I just love animal print. I did kind of slow it down, but I definitely when I saw this, I just had to pick it up. This is in the size of 32C. That's where I wear for my bras. I love something that's a little high-waisted, you know, to kind of snatch little stomach or whatnot. Okay guys, so that is it for this video today. I hope you guys like everything that I got for this month. If you guys do want to see my next month box, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave all the link in the description bar so you guys can go ahead and take your quiz and make sure you get your 50% off, and make sure you guys sign up for the extra VIP members so you can get all the perks that comes with it. Everything again is going to be in the description bar down below. Again, thank you so much to Savage X FENTY for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to always be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.